Hello, hello, welcome back to the pool room. Alright, I just decided in the midst of that, I did talk to Rudy. I'm still pondering my next move. It is disturbing that this keyboard does not fit. Anyway, what I'm doing right now is, with great care and reverence, I'm connecting the pet companion made by Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel. And I'm going to make sure that everything is contained. Nothing is touching anything it should not be touching. I'm going to go over here where I have this other monitor that I had it connected to. Wait for it to warm up a moment. Then I will turn on the pet. Let's see what I have to. Oh, yeah. Okay. So there on the monitor, which I think. Ooh. I think I have cable links. I think. Turn this around. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it anyway. Is there? There it is. So the board is working. The pet is working through the pet companion. All right. Print. Quote. World of Commodore. Space. Quote. Semicolon. Colon. Go to. 10. And we'll just let that run. Run. And yes, the monitor over there displays a little bit off to the side. That's the way it is. That's the way it will be. That's the way it always will be. It is. It's just the way it is. Yeah. But they're both happy. They're both working. And now I have to figure out what is what. What am I sending? What goes to Mr. Rudy for his expertise? That I'm still not sure. He tells me that he figures that the main transformer is ruined. And I do not doubt that. I'm just trying to figure out how, if I can, gently. If I can get, I'll leave it. I will leave it. I was trying to think if I could pull this whole cable menagerie down. I don't think I will. All right, I think what I need to do is find another pet, which of course I have. Because I need one to test things in here. This keyboard, which is beautiful, doesn't fit in the metal case. That doesn't help anything. That's disturbing. It is distressing. But yet this one fits beautifully. Goes right in. I'm just baffled. What is so different? Maybe the metal case is made to a higher tolerance. The other one is thicker, but I don't know. I don't think I've ever tried this before. So obviously, I wouldn't have known that. All right, well, not making much progress on the disk drives. I am thinking that in the midst of this, well, I got to figure out what I'm going to send to Rudy. And when I do. Ponder, 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 I shall. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. We'll see you back here in the pool room. I'll just turn things off. There. Now you can see the pets are glowing and they're working away. Or I think I'm going to leave them on to test for a bit. We'll see you again. Bye for now.